A cup of this every day or every other day is one of the ways to improve your hair health. Hello lovely people, you are welcome back to the Afrofood Diary. How are you guys doing? How are you doing? My name is Geraldine, by the way. If it's your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome in a special way. Yay, it's sunny and I'm sitting in this park. So guys, I'm so excited to introduce today's video because it's another collaboration with my favorite big sis on Shola of Discovering Natural channel and the DN Vlogs Live channel. Yes, I reached out to her for a collaboration and I'm so excited with the topic we came out with, because you know what, there's this fulfillment you get when you get to do two things that you love to do in one kind of. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I sometimes love to do things with my hair and kind of share my natural hair management tips with you guys. But in the past months, I've kind of focused more on my on food. Okay, yeah, that's because I wanted to kind of focus on one thing at the moment. But guys, those of you that are so interested in the hair part of my channel, I want to give you this good news. I have someone who can really take care of that part of my channel. She's actually very experienced in taking care of natural hair, not just her own hair but that of her two princesses, her daughters. Okay, yeah, so she's been in this business for years and years. Okay, so and when it comes to products, when it comes to wash and just general care of hair, down to supplements you can use and all that, she reviews products too. So that's all you will get from her channel. Okay, so you are in safe hands if you go check her out. So this is a collaboration with her, and my own part is to show us a recipe that contains hair growth or hair health boosting properties, like food that you can incorporate in your diet to kind of boost the health of your hair, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I'm excited to do that because you know what, I love to cook, right? And I generally love anything natural, including my natural hair. So guys, that said, let's jump right into the video. So to start, we have our apple, we have banana, we have kale. Kale is a very super healthy vegetable, not just for your hair but for your overall health. We have some avocado, as you can see as well. I'll be using half of an avocado. I went in now with clean hands to pour in the kale, and that's the quantity. So for that quantity in there, I'm using like 2 cups of water. Click on the card that will pop up on your screen now to watch a full tutorial on how to achieve a perfect green smoothie. I have 2 recipes there that you can try, okay? So you want to go in and blend your vegetable very well first before you add other things. I'll be using turmeric and cinnamon for this recipe. These 2 spices are quite healthy for you, like they have anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon is very good if you want to add it to your shampoo, for example. Is a good exfoliator, and it's very good at cleansing your scalp and stimulating it for hair growth. So in a nutshell, these 2 spices are my go-to when I want to make green smoothies like this, or even just in general cooking, breakfast, and just general cooking in the house. So I added a little bit of the cinnamon and a tiny little bit of the turmeric. If you add too much of it, it will kind of change the color of your smoothie. Before we continue guys, there is one message I want you to get out of today's video, and it is that what you put inside of you in terms of what you eat is as important, in fact is much more important than the product you will be putting on your hair. What I mean is that you could be using the best deep conditioner and all that on your hair, But if your inside is not clean enough, if your inside is not good enough, if your inside is not like taken care of, your hair might not turn out the way you're expecting it to turn out. So what am I saying in essence? It's very, very essential to look out for the things you eat and drink, as well as you look just the same way you look out for products to take care of your hair with. Okay, yeah, so that's the strongest part of my message to you today. Take care of what you put into your body, not just because of your hair, but because of your overall health. Moving on, guys, I will quickly cut up the avocados into smaller pieces, scoop them into this plate in preparation for adding it into the smoothie bowl. Okay, I did same for the banana and for the apple as well. I'm sure you have seen videos of people using avocados and bananas as deep conditioners, as hair mask. The reason is simple: they are very, very healthy, good for your hair. So we're adding that in this smoothie. You haven't heard so much about apples, but I tell you, they are also very, very nutritious, not just specifically for your hair, but for your overall health. So if you're watching this and you go, oh, I don't have natural hair, or I'm a man, my dear, this is good for you as well, because every single one of the ingredients I used here is beneficial to anyone out there. I will end by saying that the foods that will boost your hair health doesn't just end with the ingredients I used for this recipe. It's a very simple one that a lot of us already know about, right? Yeah, but I would also want to tell you that most of the foods we already eat from, let's say for instance your meat, your beef, if you are not vegetarian. Even if you're vegetarian, you can use your soybeans, and just all these natural stuffs out there that we already have in our diet, like eggs. They are generally very good for your health and especially contribute to the health of your hair, your muscle tissues, your skin. And we will not forget fruits as well when we talk about general health. So just go out there, find something that is in season, vegetables, fruits. Try avocado. It's very, very good. Even if you don't drink smoothie, I encourage you to. You can use it for a toast. Remember, if you haven't seen Flo Chinyere's last series on sandwiches, the last one she made had avocado on it, and I think I mentioned to her that that's my favorite. Like, I love avocado. Outside the fact that it's very healthy, I love them. So if you don't like them in smoothies, you can put them on your toast. It mustn't be smoothies. I've heard people say, oh, I don't like smoothies, I don't like juices, I like to eat my fruit like that straight. Yeah, so you can eat them straight. You can just eat you can incorporate them into your dishes, into your salads. Yeah, just find ways that you can make them and enjoy them, not necessarily in smoothies. Okay, do well to go and check out Anshola's video and hear what she has to say about the health of your hair, how you can take care of your hair, yeah, with other stuffs that I wouldn't be telling you. Go over and check her video and you will thank me for it. So with that, I will say thank you so much for hanging on with me. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and be family. It's a great place to be, I promise you. Thank you, my returning subscribers. You guys are the best. And with that, I say have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.